In the previous classes, I have known about the SQL. In the SQL, we known about the cranium. This means cranium that is made by 8 bones. In previous classes, we known about this cranium 8 bone. But today's lecture, we will know about the face 14 bones. You know good way that we have divided a cube in two parts. One is cranium and other is face. Together a skull that is made by 22 bones, and a skull is divided into two parts, that is the first is cranium and second is face. Cranium that is made by 8 bones and face that is made by 14 bones. By this way total, this means together a skull formed that is by 22 bones. In previous lecture we know about the cranium 8 bones, but in today's lecture we will know about the face 14 bones. That which 14 bones that is present in our face. Okay, first that is the nasal bone. Okay, nasal bone, this means ki nose bone. That number is 2. Nasal bone, this means nose bone. That number is 2. Nasal bone, what is the nasal bone? The nasal bone that forms bony part of nose. Nasal bone that forms bony part of nose. Okay, that number is 2. Second, that is the vomer. That number is 1. And third, that is the inferior terminals. That number is 2. This means that is vomer and inferior terminals that is present below nasal bone, below nose bone. Okay, nasal means nose. So vomer and inferior terminal, vomer bones number is 1 and inferior terminus bone number is 2, that is present below nasal bone. Okay, next that is the maxilla. Maxilla bone, that number is 2. Maxilla form upper jaw. Maxilla form upper jaw, that bone number is 2. Okay, next that is the lacrimal. You know good way that lacrimal gland that is present in eyes. By this way lacrimal bone, that number is 2, that is present in eye. Okay, lacrimal bone. Next that is the platin. Platin bone, that number is also 2. Platin bone, that number is also 2, but platin that is present in hard plate behind maxilla. Platin that present in hard plate behind maxilla. Okay, next that is the zygomatic bone, that is also called bone, molar bone, and that is also called cheekbone. Why that is called cheekbone? Because zygomatic bone, that number is 2. This prominence part of cheek, this prominence part of cheek is called zygomatic bone. This means zygomatic bone forms prominence of cheek. Zygomatic bone forms prominence of cheek. This means the ubra hua part of the cranium. This is the zygomatic bone. This is the prominence part of cheek. Due to this, zygomatic bone is also called cheekbone. Okay, next that is the mandible. Mandible bone, and that mandible bone, that number is 1, and mandible, that's maxilla for upper jaw and mandible forms lower jaw. Maxilla bones number is 2, but mandible bones number is 1. Mandible forms lower jaw that articulates with temporal bone. Okay, that's articulate with temporal bone, and you know good way that temporal bone is the bone of cranium. Okay, due to this reason, this is called craniostylic jaw. Mandible forms lower jaw that articulate with temporal bone. Due to this reason, this maxilla is called craniostylic jaw. Okay, this mandible, this is the largest bone of face. Mandible is the largest bone of face and the strongest bone of axial skeleton, and that is also movable bone. Movable bone. Okay? Okay? दिल की गहराइयों से